Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Polar Pattern, Mirror, Thickness, Draft, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into 3D solid part. Here you find the 8 steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body or the container is inserted automatically. We finalize this 3D solid part in 8 steps. In step 1, we sketch 1/4 of the top profile on XY plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Activate the Rectangle tool and sketch the profile at the origin. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 60 mm. In step 2, we change the draft angle to 20 degrees of the created part. Activate the Draft tool and then select the faces which their draft angle will be affected. Now press the Neutral Plane button and then select the upper face. Set the draft angle to 20 degrees. In step 3, we add a fillet with a radius of 15 mm to the edge. Next, activate the Fillet tool and select the edge and then set the fillet radius to 15 mm. In step 4, we remove material from the created part with the help of Pocket tool. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a rectangle profile 38 by 38 mm at the origin. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 40 mm. In step 5, we add fillets with a radius of 5, 10, and 15 mm to the edges. Start first with the biggest radius. Select the edge and then activate the Fillet tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 6, we remove again material from the upper edges of the solid part with the help of the Pocket tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Sketch a circle with a radius of 5 millimeters. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Next, we remove material from the other edge with the help of the Polar Pattern tool. Select the pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Select the base Z axis and set the length to 90 degrees. Click OK to confirm. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 2 millimeters to the edges. In Step 7, we remove again material from the created part to have a solid part with a thickness of 3 millimeters. Activate the Thickness tool and select the face to remove and then set the thickness parameter to 3 millimeters. The last step is to complete the exercise with the help of the Polar Pattern. Select the body and activate the Polar Pattern. In the dialog window, select the option Base Z axis and then set the occurrences to 4. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.